L'Oreal Paris Hydrafresh Alcohol-Free Toner is a gentle, non-drying formula that refreshes and softens skin in a splash. How does it work? Beta Hydroxy gently sweeps away dull, tired skin. Vitamin B5 helps protect against moisture loss. This L'Oreal Paris Hydrafresh Face Toner reveals smoother, brighter complexion and leaves skin soft and supple. Use L'Oreal Paris Hydrafresh Toner in both the morning and evening, applying toner with a cotton ball. L'Oreal Paris Hydrafresh Face Toner is 99% alcohol-free and dermatologist tested for gentleness. HydroFresh Toner's gentle, non-drying formula refreshes and softens skin in a splash, revealing a smoother, brighter, more radiant complexion and leaving skin feeling smooth and supple. Formula with Beta Hydroxyacid and Vitamin B5 gently sweeps away dull, tired skin while protecting against moisture loss. Top reviews from the United States. Doesn't dry out your skin. I wanted a toner for my face and I am happy with this product. My skin is extremely sensitive. I notice the corners of my eyes are tearing and sometimes raw since using this. I'm letting them heal before trying again.